Yep, it's recording.
James, stand right here. He's in the car. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that, bud? That's the baby. You wanna? Here, you wanna go in the garage, and I'll bring her in there so you can see her.
Don't forget that there's milk in the trunk.
Do you want to see the baby? Right here, James.
Did you get that on camera?
I think it is.
Look, James. Say Reese.
Oh, the baby, oh, the banana.
It is your night. That's your little sister. Who's the big brother?
Your mommy.
Mommy's
That's
car.
Mommy's car.
Daddy.
That's Daddy's car. All right. That's all he needed. It's good.